Hello, everyone. Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. Oh my gosh, the Magical Mystery Bead Box for Jesse James Beads in September is absolutely fantastic. It actually is one of my favorite movies. If you know, you know. And I'm so excited about the pieces and parts. So we're going to make some jewelry. And I particularly fell in love with these printed beads. They're so Art Deco and they go so perfectly with those gold links. The packaging is also super cool. So I grabbed some 20 gauge wire and I am going to create a little bit of a bracelet bar with that big bead from the mix. There's actually 4 printed beads and 2 green ones, so I grabbed one. And I'm just creating wire wrap loops on either end and creating that little bracelet bar for my wrist. Fits really nicely there. It's a nice big piece. Then I grabbed the links and just started laying out what I think this bracelet could look like. And then, oh my God, this 1921 deco chain. Hello. And did I say that I love creating deco, Art Deco designs? So this box is so perfect for me in every way. Anyways, I decided that a few of those links from the chain would look really great in between some of those gold links and my bracelet bar. So I just kind of fiddled around, make sure I straightened out my loops, and then with the help of some oval jump rings, I connected the little links from the chain and started to connect the links from the gold connectors set. And I absolutely love these. And what you'll want to do is make sure that you kind of test how this bracelet will lay on your wrist as you go. So those links are very flat and they're very rigid. So you don't want them to be in a position of kind of sitting on the edge of your wrist so they stick out. So this is a little bit of an exercise of lay it out the way you think you want to wear it and the way you think it will work. But in the end, you may need to make some changes. I actually took the large links out and added an additional link from my chain to make it fit and lay just right on my wrist. So I really love this bracelet. So much fun. All of these deco elements are just perfection. So I added a lobster claw clasp, just something simple, but you could really add in a variety of different things here. So I loved this bracelet so much that I thought perhaps I'd make a pair of earrings too. And because I didn't use the larger connectors, I grabbed a couple of those and the round printed beads. I used a head pin and put on the round bead, and I created a wire wrapped start of a wire wrap loop because I want to put it directly into my connector. So you can take your head pin, slide that right into the connector, and then make your wire wrap loop. I think these patterns on these beads and these connectors look so great together. And of course, to tie it back to the bracelet, I thought I'd add one of those little chain links up top. So it makes for some extra movement, brings the continuity back to the bracelet. And I just used some very small 4mm jump rings to attach the connectors to make them finished off. And all you need then is ear wires to make these beautiful earrings. So though they're not the same color, they're the same look, they're the same vibe, and I just love the combination of these. The colors are actually really great for this time of year, and I think the set is really super cool. So you've got to check out the Magical Mystery Bead Box for September. It's the Overlook Hotel, and it's super fantastic. Go to jessejamesbeads.com and you can get the Magical Mystery Bead Box too. Thanks so much for watching.